Hi guys, today I'm going to make a true Trini classic, bacon shack. Bacon shack is one of my favorite Trini street food. When I go to Trinidad, I have to go to Maracas Bay to get some bacon shack. So right now I'm going to make my replica. I have here all the ingredients for the fry bake. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. This is 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of yeast. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of butter, and also a cup of water. So first I'm going to put in my salt. Now we have to keep the salt and the yeast separate because once the salt gets mixed with the yeast, it kills the yeast, so you got to keep the salt and the yeast separate. Put in the baking powder, sugar, and then I'm going to mix these up together. I'm going to add in my butter. So now I have warm water. Whenever you're using yeast, you have to use warm water because it helps activate the yeast faster. We might need a little more water to bring this dough together, so you can average how much more water you want to add to it. So now our flour came into a nice ball, round ball, and now I'm going to put this in a warm place until it doubles in size. I'm going to put it probably in the microwave. You can heat up the microwave or in a warm oven. Alright, so our dough has doubled in size, and now we're going to make these into smaller doughs for our fry bake. So let's put a little flour in here so it won't get sticky. These are the balls. Like that. Get them all nice and smooth and ready for the oil. Okay, so all our balls are ready, and I have here my wok with my candy thermometer. I am waiting for it to get up to like 350 degrees, and we're gonna fry these on medium heat. Okay, so now we're gonna flatten out our bake and get ready for frying. So I do my bake like this. You just turn it around like that. If you want more comfortable, you can do it like this. I'm gonna do a few and then fry. My oil is nice and hot. It's at 350 degrees. Put a little flour, not a lot, just to keep it from sticking to your surface. We're going to just keep doing them until we're done with all the balls. So now we're going to fry. You're gonna put it in the oil. Now the key to frying the perfect fry bakes, you have to put that oil, make sure that oil get at the top like this, so that it starts to flow and get nice and clean. This is the secret right here. Put some more in there. See how that's floating in there? That is the key to the perfect fry bake. You have to make sure that it's floating. And just fry these until they're nice and golden. See, this one is like almost ready. See, you have to ensure that you get that oil on there. So just start rising. Look at that wonderful fry bake. And then you put it on a paper towel to drain out that oil. See, when you don't put the oil on there, it stays flat. So you have to put this oil onto the surface like that. Start raising up. Okay, so I'm going to finish frying out all these fry bakes, and then I'm going to start show you the end result. Okay, so right now I have my seasoned shark here. I have some flour, some garlic powder, some Old Bay seasoning, and some seasoned salt. Now I didn't put too much seasoning in the flour. I'm not going to put too much seasoning in the flour because I already have seasoning in the shark. So this is just to give it a little flavor, nothing too much because you don't want it to be too salty. So we're just going to mix that together. And then we're going to take our shark and put it in here. Just make sure that's nice and incorporated. Just put that in the oil. Shark and put it in the oil. It's not going to take very long to fry. It's going to fry until it gets nice and golden because shark fries really fast. So once I get nice and golden brown, you know that it is ready. I'm also going to fry some catfish also. You know, we can have bacon catfish. So that'll be a nice one. You see, that is almost ready. Okay guys, so here you have it. This is my bake and shark. This is the shark, this is the catfish that I fried, and these are the fry bakes. Now I'm gonna build two sandwiches. I'm gonna build first the shark. See how hollow it is inside? The bake is very hollow inside. The condiments for bake and shark is endless, but I just have a few here that I like. You can put lettuce, tomato, cucumbers. It's just endless. So right now I'm putting on some cabbage slaw. These are some cabbage slaw. I'm gonna add the shark onto that. A few pieces of shark. And then I'm gonna add some I made some fresh garlic sauce here, so I'm gonna put some garlic sauce on there. I also have some beni sauce, which is like a very important condiment. I love that. I also made some pineapple mango pepper sauce, so I'm gonna put that on there. Then I have some tamarind sauce. And you usually put a whole piece of pineapple on here, but I'm just gonna put some pineapple chunks, so it's kind of like a sauce, which is really cool. You still get the same taste, but it's just the chunks. And there you have it. This is my replica of bacon shock.